Now let's look at the guided practice. It's a little bit longer today, but that's okay. That just means I'm doing more with you. So first they ask us to write the equation of some of the different lines. Let's see if this time Mr. Schultz makes 100. On the notes, he almost did make 100. So one asks us to do a line through 4, 7, and -2, 1 in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. Well, first we've got to find our slope. Got to find the slope. So label our points. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And use our slope equation. M equals Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. 1 minus 7 is -6 over -2 minus 4, -6. Now, what's -6 divided by -6? 1. So our slope is 1. Now, do they give me the intercept? No, they do not. We've got to find that too. I'm going to show y'all, though, a way you can use the other form to get your intercept. So let's set this up in the other form's point slope form. So y minus y1 is 7 equals our slope, 1 times x minus x1, which is 4. Now solve for y. So we got to distribute this 1, which really doesn't change anything. Y minus 7 equals 1 times x. It's just x, 1x. 1 times -4 minus 4. Add 7 to both sides. You get y equals x, 1x. -4 plus 7 would be a +3. There's the equation we want. Y equals x plus 3. That matches the form we need. So we actually had to use the other form to get our answer. And that's okay, we can do that because math. Okay, number 2. The line through -4, 2. So I'm going to go and call that x1, y1 with a slope of 3/4. So there's our m. And they ask for it in point, whoa, where did we go? Where did our pages go, guys? I am not seeing them anywhere. Whoa, how'd they get way over there? Come back. Who do you think you is? Okay. Point slope form is what we need to be in. So remember, that's the one that's y minus y1 equals our slope times x minus x1. We have everything labeled, so we can just plug in. Y minus 2 equals 3/4 times x minus -4. Now, what is minus a negative? That turns into a positive. There's our answer. Okay, number 3. They want the line with the x-intercept of 4, a y-intercept of -2, and they want it in slope-intercept form. Which one is slope-intercept form? Y equals mx plus b. Well, I know my b is my y-intercept, so b is -2. But I've got to find slope somehow, so let's make points out of these, just like we did on the notes. So our x-intercept is the point 4, 0. Our y-intercept is the point 0, -2. Now I can use that to find slope. x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. -2 minus 0 is -2. 0 minus -4, -4. Now, what's -2 divided by -4 reduced to? 1/2. Good. Well, we have our m now. We've got our b. Let's write our equation. Y equals 1/2 x minus 2. There she goes. Okay, on to number 4. This time they ask us to graph the line. It's in point slope form, so this 2/3 here tells me my slope. And then my point would be 6 and -4. Now, why not -6 and +4? Because remember, our equation has minuses right here in point slope form. So minus means we've got to take the opposite. Okay, well, I'm going to plot that point. That's 6, negative 4. 6, negative 4. Might help if I had a pen, not a highlighter. Slope tells me I have to go up 2 over 3. I go up 2. I can't go over to the right 3. Out of room. So I got to go down 2, left 3. Down 2. Oh, can't do that either. So my line will look something like this. Just barely catches the bottom corner of that graph. Whew. Okay, last one. Determine whether the lines are parallel, intersect, or coincide. Well, for that first line on number 5, is it good, or do we have some magic to work? And we've got to work our magic here. We've got to get y by itself. So let's subtract 6x from both sides. We're going to have negative 12y equals negative 6x minus 24. Then we divide by negative 12. It's going to give us y equals negative 6 divided by negative 12 is 1/2 x. Negative 24 divided by negative 12 is plus 2. Okay, that line's done. Now let's do the other. Looks like on this one, we just have to divide by 3. So we're going to have y equals 2/3 x plus 6. So now we compare slopes. What do we notice about the slopes? They're different. What's our only option that has different slopes? Intersecting. So that means these two lines intersect. Okay, next one. Y equals 1/3 x plus 2/3. They did that for us. We don't have to do anything on that line. But the second one, we got to do a little bit of work. We've got to divide by 3. So y equals 1/3 x plus 2/3. Now, compare the slopes. What do we notice? They're the same slope. What about our intercepts here? Same intercept. So which one means same slope and same intercept? Coincide. Okay, so there's the guided practice on this one. We did 6 together. That means you have 11 to try on your own. If you need help, please ask me. I'll be more than happy to help. So, hop to it.